Okay, so we got this situation. The ellipse E1 this inscribed in a rectangle. So ellipse is inscribed means ellipse will go inside the rectangle. Okay, so you know that it is horizontal ellipse, so I'll go with horizontal ellipse. First a diagram should be clear, okay, then only you can visualize things with more clarity. Okay, so you got your ellipse done. Now is inscribed in a rectangle, so your ellipse is in rectangle. Okay, it's not now look at this. Inscribed in rectangle whose sides are parallel to coordinate axis. So we should draw this kind of rectangle only. Okay, okay, and look at this. So now your circle, your ellipse is inscribed in a rectangle. Okay, now another ellipse E2 passing through the point this, another ellipse E2 passing through the point this, circumscribing rectangle. Circumscribing means now rectangle will go inside. Okay, so suppose that we have this ellipse, suppose. Okay, I'll adjust. I don't think this is okay. Okay, now I'll label the name. So this is E1. Okay, this one is R. Okay, and this one is E2. Okay, this is E1. Now so your ellipse is passing through 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4. Okay, then the eccentricity of E2. So first we have to find this purple ellipse and then we can find the remaining part. Now you know that this is ellipse, correct? So its equation will look like x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. So we have a and we have b. So we have two variables. So we need two equations to solve this question. So you know that your ellipse E2 is passing through the point 0 comma 4. So it will satisfy there. So in place of x put 0, in place of y put 4. So can I say that 16 is equal to b square? So first problem is solved. We got our b square. Now we have to find out a. If we find out a, we got the equation of ellipse. Now we can find anything, correct? Now look at this. So you know that now we have to take help of this ellipse. So look at the common point, like this purple ellipse is connected with rectangle and rectangle is connected with the ellipse E1. So can you please tell me this coordinate? Okay, so this coordinate will become what? This coordinate will become like here x is 0. So if you'll put x as 0, sorry, y is 0. So if you'll put y as 0, you'll get x as 3. So 3 comma 0. So 100% this point will be, suppose it is P, so its x coordinate will be 3 only, correct? Now try to calculate this point. This point is x0. So if x is 0, y will become 2. So 100% the x coordinate of this point will be 2. So we got point P as 3, 2. So this point will be satisfied by the purple ellipse. Okay, because it is common. So I'll substitute there. So x, in place of x I'll write 9. A square we don't know, a square we have to calculate, plus y square is 4, b square is 16 equals to 1. So it is 4. So 9 by a square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. So 9 by a square equals to 3 by 4, है ना? So this thing 3. So can I say that a square is equal to 12? So we got our a square, we got our b square. So can I write ellipse equation as x square by 12 plus y square by 16 equals to 1? So we got our equation of ellipse done. Now what do we need? We want eccentricity. Now look at this. Now try to observe this ellipse is horizontal ellipse or vertical ellipse. It is vertical ellipse. Why? Because here B is bigger. Okay. Now you know that you have to find out eccentricity. So we have to involve E. Have you ever seen E? Yes. You have seen 1 minus E square everywhere. The thing which is bigger will go inside. So it is vertical ellipse. So B square will be bigger. So a square will come outside. So who is a square? 12. Who is b square? 16. 1 minus e square. So 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. So 3 equals 4 minus 4e square. So 4e square will become 1. So e square will become 1 by 4. Correct? Now what do we need? The eccentricity of the ellipse E2. So eccentricity of the ellipse E2 is 1 by 2. Okay. So the correct option is C. I hope the idea is clear and now you can connect these kind of dots.